Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erath County in north central Texas, southwestern Wood County in north central Texas, Somervell County in north central Texas, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:11 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 11 miles east of Morgan Mill, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Dinosaur Valley State Park around 9 p.m., Glen Rose around 9:10 p.m. This will impact Interstate 20 between mile markers 367 and 377. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed. A severe thunderstorm warning remains